Every strong building begins with one critical stage, the slab. Before concreting, every reinforcement bar, spacing, cover block, and beam junction must be checked carefully. A small mistake at this stage can affect the strength and durability of the entire structure. That's why our team performs detailed site inspections and quality checks before giving approval for concrete pouring. Proper reinforcement, correct shuttering, and systematic execution ensure a safe and long-lasting slab. At the next build, we don't just construct buildings. We build trust through engineering precision and quality workmanship. Follow the next build for more real construction site updates, engineering tips, and quality construction insights.